We're going to talk in this reel specifically about lidocaine. Lidocaine is a numbing agent that is the most common used. Throughout US, we are able to use about 5% of lidocaine. It's allowed in Texas, let's say it's 4. In other countries, what I've learned when I went to Australia to teach, I've learned that there the clients have to actually go to compounded pharmacies to get their own numbings. Can you imagine? That's pretty insane. And what I also learned that the numbings there are about 15% lidocaine, which is super, super high. What I realized is that higher percentage of lidocaine doesn't necessarily do a better job at numbing. It affects the skin a little bit more. So 5%, 4%, it's truly enough for you to numb. So lidocaine does not work very good by itself. It has a short period of time that is going to numb the skin, so it's not going to last for very long, right? It's going to work really quickly and then it's going to subsidize really quickly as well. When lidocaine is combined with benzocaine and titrocaine, now lidocaine has the power to work so much harder and so much longer. So whenever you use primary numbing, look into the ingredients and make sure that the lidocaine is friends, benzocaine and titrocaine, because now this numbing is going to work faster, meaning that you don't have to leave it on the skin for 20-30 minutes, and is going to work longer. I use specifically Eyes Blue and it has only 4% lidocaine, works wonders. It works so good, doesn't puff up the skin, and it's only 4% lidocaine.